Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the area is clean and the hair is manageable. Use a 1/4 or 1/2 guard and trim dry for control. This avoids uneven cutting from wet, clumped hair. Once you've made a first pass against the grain, check contours with a mirror and take slow, short strokes. You're reducing bulk now, not shaping, so keep fingers between skin and blade when needed. If hair is very long, trim in stages to prevent tugging and snagging. Now you focus on shaping. Switch to a smaller head or no guard for edges, but hold skin taut so the blade glides and doesn't pinch. You want to follow natural lines, work from the center outward, and keep movements short near sensitive areas. Pause often to check symmetry in a mirror and remove clipped hair from the blade to maintain performance. Remember why? Light pressure reduces nicks and irritation, and steady technique creates a neat, natural result without Finish by rinsing away clipped hair and patting the area dry. Don't rub. Apply a fragrance-free balm or a mild 1% hydrocortisone cream if you see redness to calm inflammation. If you get a small nick, apply gentle pressure, clean with antiseptic, and avoid soaking in hot water for 24 to 48 hours. If irritation or bumps persist, stop trimming for about 1 week and consult a clinician. These steps prevent infection and keep the area comfortable after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.